Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about homeopathic medicine, which is helpful in the treatment of fear, uh, means anxiety, restlessness, or uh, great kind of means depression and any kind of nervousness. That is calcarea carb. Myself, Dr. Mega from Yogi Comia Science. Homeopathic medicine really play very well in the psychiatric diseases because every case taking is included for the mind symptom. Whenever we take an case taking, we always take the mind symptom and we really play a means we really give importance to the mind symptom. So in calcarea carb, the patient is very much fearful and fear for so many things. So we will be talking about it later. First we'll be knowing what is calcarea carb. What is calcarea carb is that it is from our mineral kingdom and it is the middle layer of the oyster shell. From there the calcarea carb extraction is being done. So what all places the calcarea carb is affecting? What are its clinicals? It is an vast remedy. It is a polycrust. It acts on all kind of from head to toe. Abdominal disorders, acidity, anemia, bone affection, breast affection, cough, dentition, diabetes, diarrhea, dropsy, dyspepsia, eye troubles, epilepsy, fever, glandular affection, headache, leukorrhea, lung affection, menstrual disorder, miscarriage, pregnancy disorders, respiratory troubles, rheumatism, ricket, skin affection, uterine affection, vertigo, worm infestations, or worm troubles in children. These are the clinicals of the calcarea carb where you can really treat all kinds of diseases. Moving on to the sphere of action. The main sphere of action of calcarea carb are bone, glands, blood, skin, mind and female genital organs. Moving on to the with heat and cold, the calcarea patients are very chilly. Chilly means chilly. And they cannot take cold in any form. So that is calcarea carb. Moving on to the keynote symptom of calcarea carb, the patient has very great sensitiveness to take cold, gets frequent coryza which is chronic in nature and soric in origin, and cannot tolerate cold in any form because they are very chilly. And next is that disposed to grow fat. Sweat stage. Sweat of calcarea carb is very characteristic. Head sweats profusely while sleeping, wetting the pillow far around. Profuse perspiration mostly on back of the head and neck or chest and upper part of the body. Sweat is sour smelling, raw of soles means rawness of the soles and feet from perspiration. Offensive foods, sweat is also kind of sin. Everywhere the sweat is very offensive. Coldness in general and the single part of the parts, that is head, stomach, abdomen, feet and legs. Habitually like cold and damp weather also. Cold in bed, aversion to cold open air. Feels better in every way when constipated. Stool has to be removed mechanically. This is one of the peculiar symptoms of calcarea carb, which we'll be talking about constipation. Calcarea is excellent remedies for almost all kinds of symptoms. The patient desires and likes to be guided. All discharges smell sour, vomit, diarrhea, sweat, everything. Longing for eggs, especially during sickness. What is the mind symptoms of calcarea? Calcarea carb patients are really kind of very fearful, and the makeup of the calcarea carb is it is suited to the fair, fatty, flabby patient who becomes easily fat and tired of walking and much sweating, cold extremities and sore smell of the body. There is tendency to obesity in youth, slow in movement. What is the makeup of the body of baby? Because it's very much indicated in the babies also. Children who grow fat and who is having a very chubby look with red face, large belly like an thing, and also large head, open frontalis is also seen during the frontalis or the sutures which are open. That time also you give calcarea carb. And flabby muscles, pale skin, soft bones who sweat easily, especially on the backside of the head and neck and swollen glands. Girls who are fleshy and grow too rapidly because they look like they are 10 years but they look like they are 13 to 15 years, and they are chilly patient, highly chilly patient. Moving on to the mind symptoms of the calcarea carb. Calcarea carb patient have really great fear for darkness, and they does not have the reason but they have the fear, and they always think that everything is going to end in a misfortune, and they always fear of chronic diseases. Because of that they have so much of uh, care about themselves, and they are also OCD kind of thing. They also want everything neat, clean. They'll be always kind of trying to clean up everything around them. Fear is that she will lose a reason or the people who observes her mental confusion. Very forgetful, confused and low spirited, and always melancholic means they wants to be alone, and always they wants to be detached also. Great anxiousness with palpitation is there, palpitation before going to exam, palpitation before going to the class, like that. Restlessness of mind with gloomy mood and anxiety, peevish, always obstinate and self-willed. Disposed to all work, aversion to work is there, great irritability. Slight mental effort produces heat. The patient is timid, does not want to talk, or they does not talk at all. Restless, as if the evil was really looking after her. And they have this coldness of face, coldness of hands and coldness of feet whenever this fear sets in. Great desire to be uh, alone and be in the light, and they always want the company, they cannot stay alone. Of course they wants to be melancholic means they wants to be alone, does not want to be talked or disturbed, but they want someone to be present beside or somewhere near where they want someone's presence. So, knowing about the general modalities, calcarea carb patients are very chilly, aggravated by cold air, cold weather, cold water, washing, and amelioration is from the lying on the painful side, which you can also compare with the bryonia and the pulsatilla. Okay guys, here I'll be ending my video of calcarea carb mind symptoms. I know that I was not able to fulfill all the mind symptom, I was not able to clear out all the things, but I'll be doing another video about calcarea carb mind, because I want at least half an hour to explain it. Okay, thank you for watching. Without any delay, let's end this video. Have a nice day and a fantastic life. This was my video about mind symptoms of calcarea carb.